Hey there, it's Jill from Jill Went Up the Hill. Today I wanted to share with you a monthly subscription box that my boyfriend gifted me. It's called TheraBox from Cratejoy, and last month's box had some really great stuff in it, stuff I use on a daily basis. So now I just thought I'd share this box with you, open it up and see what's in there. The first thing that I noticed when I opened the packaging, or the packaging it was sent in, were these cute little curiosity cards. It's follow your dream and live a happy life. So basically you have all these cute little cards with really cute artwork, and you're supposed to grab a pencil, write your name anywhere, and kind of just answer the questions or the prompt. So yeah, this is a cute one. The dream that makes your heart soar. But it's cute artwork and just a fun little thing to do, a little motivational thing. What is this one? What's your superpower? Cute little things like that. So just, I just thought that was really cute that it wasn't even in the box, and there it was. But this is the TheraBox. So they're actually really nice boxes. I should probably store some stuff in there. So let's see what we got. So flourish is the theme of this month's box. So what's really cool, what I loved, is it gives you so much information about each product and tells you all about it. And they give you promotional codes for 10% off, things like that. So it's really cool. So let's just dive right into it. Oh, that's so cute. Maybe you can see it. Right there. It says, I wish you happiness, and there's a cute little chicky bird there. So let's see what we have. This is all just really self-care sort of things, and I know everybody does all the self-care, but it is nice to take a little time out of your day and do something nice for yourself. So let's see. Oh. Avocado and algae face mask, skin superfood detox. Let's see, I waited till post-workout to do all this so I can start using some of these things, but that is really cute. So I'll get into a little more detail when I unpack everything here. Body Fresh toilet tissue moisturizer. Interesting. All right, let's see what else we have here. Trust Fund Beauty. Oh, what do I get? A little bit of a no filter. What is this? Is this nail polish? Oh, I need to paint my nails, so that's actually really great. Let's see. Break up with paper towels. Okay, let's get into that one because I just started using some reusable paper towels, so we'll see about that. Oh, collagen gel eye pads. Definitely could use a little of that. Let's see what else. Soaking salts. Alrighty. Laundry detergent. That's what I'm smelling. I was smelling some clean laundry. So there that is. Okay. Right. Let's get into it here. Okay, Dragonfly CBD soaking salts. Detoxifying. I'll have to use this and tell you what I think about it. I'm not much of a bath taker or soaker, but maybe this will get me to do it and relax a little bit. Then these are True Earth Eco Strips laundry detergent. Make your clothes whiter and brighter. Laundry detergent strips that remove the need for water. All right, well, I'll definitely try that. I don't know that I love the scent, but that's such a personal thing. So let's see. This one. Body Fresh Dewdrops of Spring Meet your bathroom savior and upgrade your restroom experience. Body Fresh Dewdrops of Spring is an eco-friendly, economical, dermatologist recommended, and non-clogging alternative to flushable wipes. So what I'm getting from this is that you put this on your old TP and turn it into a wet wipe. So it's cool. All right, let's see what else we have here. Oh, this is one I'm excited about. Plant-based avocado and algae mask. So yeah, I definitely want to try this. I'll tell you all about this. But I do love that it has this cute little bag, but a spatula too. How great is that? I love it. I don't know why I'm gonna. Oh. Okay, so it's powder and you have to mix it into a paste. So I'm definitely gonna make a mess in the bathroom with that one. What else? Oh yeah, these gel eye pads. Could have used that this morning. All right. Amina Skincare Starry Collagen Eye Pad Gels. So there's 5 pair in a box. Cleanse your face. Leave them for 20 to 30 minutes. All right, so maybe that won't be a daily morning thing because I don't know. Maybe I'd probably have time to fit that in. Just make sure I put it on. But all right, well, I'll tell you more about this after I try that. And yeah, these, I'm excited about this. This is Alt Linen, pair of Forever Kitchen Towels. Let's take the hashtag paper towel challenge, ditch paper towels and switch to alt linen. I just bought some, their bamboo paper towel substitutes, and you can put them in the dishwasher, but you can also put them in the washer and in the machine washer, and they are really, I mean, I've been happy with them so far, so we'll see. Did I say machine washer? Yeah, I meant just your regular clothes wash, but these are nice. So, and they've got a little, yeah, I'll definitely give these a whirl. I always use kitchen towels and fabric napkins and that sort of thing, so I'll definitely be trying that. And then this is this is exciting because I need to paint my nails. So this is called Trust Fund Beauty No Filter Nail Polish. So it says it's the perfect nude, wear everyday peachy shade that gives your nails a simple and elegant vibe with a bit of an edge. Let's see. Okay, so these are, what's cool with this, and this is actually why I haven't really been wearing much nail polish lately, is all the chemicals in it and everything. Although, I don't know, spring is here. I don't know if I can get away with not having nail polish on my toes. I like to have a nice little pedicure that I do myself. But this is 10 free. It's vegan, cruelty free, and 10 free, meaning no formaldehyde, toluene. I don't know if I'm saying any of this right, but it doesn't have any of the baddies in it. So, but it is a really pretty color. Really pretty. At least pretty in the bottle. Whether it's pretty on my hands is another story, but I'll definitely excuse to do a little manicure and see how it turns out. So yeah, this is a really cool box. I feel like I may not use everything on a regular basis the way I did on the last box, but I'll share the next one I get with you as well. And I'll definitely follow up and let you know how I like some of these products and maybe even go over a few. So anyway, TheraBox is a really cool gift for someone you don't think would buy some of these things on their own. And I don't know, it's just a nice little surprise, and it's a nice thing to look forward to as well. So I'll give you a little more info after I try some of this stuff out. Thanks so much. Hit the like button, and if you like this video, subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day.